Do you know that 60% of people can't handle an unexpected $1,000 expense? Shocking, right? Money doesn't just slip through your fingers, it's your habits that determine if you'll grow wealth or struggle. We all dream of financial freedom, that life where money isn't a constant worry, where opportunities flow and you're living on your own terms. But bad money habits are like termites. They silently destroy your financial stability. Today, I'm not just pointing out the problems. I'll show you how to fix them with simple, actionable changes. So, if you want to save, invest, and grow your money like a pro, stay focused, take a notepad, subscribe to the Wealthy channel, and let's get started. Number 1. Paycheck Spendings. Picture this. You're always waiting for the next paycheck to clear. Not because your income is low, but because your spending habits are out of control. One mistake most people make, as pointed out in The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, is underestimating the power of small, consistent financial decisions. They spend recklessly today, thinking tomorrow will somehow fix itself. But here's the brutal truth. Tomorrow never changes unless you do. It's time to flip the script. First, track your spending religiously. Don't confuse wants with needs. Ask yourself, am I buying this to impress others or because it adds value to my life? Stop letting poor habits rob you of a fulfilling life. Instead, build habits that give you freedom and control, because financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a discipline. Number 2. Emotional spending. Emotional spending creates a vicious cycle of regret and financial instability. Did you know 52% of impulse purchases are tied to emotions? Stop using spending as a band-aid for emotional wounds. It's not fixing the root problem. Find healthier ways to deal with emotions like journaling or exercising. Set a rule. Wait 48 hours before making any non-essential purchase. Break free from the cycle of guilt and use your money to build a better life. Number 3. Chasing instant gratification. Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman said, "The ability to delay gratification is the key to long-term success." Instant gratification is the enemy of wealth building. Small splurges add up, robbing you of larger opportunities. Stop sabotaging your future for fleeting pleasures. Practice the art of patience. Remember, short-term sacrifices lead to long-term gains. For every impulse to spend, write down your long-term goal. Use it as a reminder. You'll achieve bigger goals like owning a home, starting a business, or retiring early. Number 4. Neglecting to negotiate. Paying full price for everything, rent, bills, without ever questioning it. People shy away from negotiation, seeing it as confrontational or embarrassing. But as Chris Voss explains in Never Split the Difference, everything in life is a negotiation. Think about it. How many times have you simply accepted the first offer? This habit doesn't just drain your wallet. You're not just losing dollars, you're losing confidence, leverage, and financial freedom. Breaking this habit starts with understanding your worth and the value of the transaction. Whether you're asking for a raise, haggling at a market, or renegotiating your internet plan, approach the conversation prepared and assertive. Negotiation isn't greed, it's self-respect. When you start asking, you'll be amazed at how often people say yes. Over time, these wins accumulate. Number 5. Confusing wants with needs. This is a trap of mindless spending. Have you ever convinced yourself that a $1,200 smartphone upgrade is a need when your current one works just fine? Or justified splurging on branded shoes because they were on sale? This is where most people falter, confusing wants with needs and masking indulgence as necessity. This habit keeps you stuck in a loop of paycheck-to-paycheck living. Ask yourself before every purchase, do I really need this or do I just want it? Create a list of true essentials, things that sustain your life and productivity. Then set aside a smaller, guilt-free budget for wants. Wealthy people prioritize spending on investments, not status symbols. Wants are temporary, but a disciplined mindset builds a future where you can have both what you need and what you truly desire. Number 6. Not tracking your net worth. If I ask you right now, do you know your net worth? Most people track expenses but ignore their overall net worth, which is the ultimate measure of financial health. Tracking net worth helps you focus on growing assets and reducing liabilities. If you're not tracking it, how will you improve it? Make it a monthly habit to calculate your net worth. Use tools like Excel or apps to track assets and debts. A clear picture of your financial progress and motivation to stay on track. Number 7. Failing to insure properly. Skipping proper insurance might seem like saving money in the short term, but it's a financial disaster waiting to happen. Most people underestimate the value of insurance, viewing it as an unnecessary expense rather than a safety net. Without insurance, these scenarios can wipe out years of savings in an instant. Worse, the lack of preparation creates a spiral of debt and stress, leaving you vulnerable to life's unpredictable blows. Start by identifying the critical areas of your life that need coverage: health, life, property, and liability. Insurance is not a cost. It's an investment in your peace of mind and financial stability. Life is uncertain, but your financial safety doesn't have to be. Number 8. Focusing only on saving, not growing. People proudly save every penny, avoiding luxuries, eating out, or even small pleasures, thinking they're on the path to wealth. But here's the harsh truth. Saving alone won't make you rich. It just keeps you afloat. Saving is important, but without growth, your money loses its power to create opportunities, build security. The key to breaking this habit is understanding that money sitting idle is money wasted. Instead of hoarding $20,000 in a low-interest savings account, invest it in an index fund averaging 7% annually. Saving is the foundation, but investing is the engine that drives financial freedom. Number 9. Ignoring the power of networking. Imagine attending one industry event and meeting a mentor who helps you land a dream job. Networking isn't just socializing. It's an investment. 85% of jobs are filled through networking. Your financial growth is tied to the people you know. If you're not building relationships, you're missing out on opportunities. Your network is your net worth. Attend one networking event per month or reach out to mentors. Better career prospects, mentorship, and opportunities for financial growth. Number 10. Relying on a single income source. During the pandemic, millions lost their jobs overnight. Those with side hustles or investments had a cushion. Others struggled. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Diversification isn't just for investments, it's for income too. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or passive income sources like dividends or real estate. Diversified income is the key to stability, reduced financial stress, and faster wealth building. Small changes lead to big results. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Start today by picking one habit to tackle and watch how your financial life transforms. I'm grateful for the chance to share these insights with you. If this video made a difference, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more powerful tips. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.